Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Antam and this is one of my nano aquascape. This is not so big. As you can see, this is a extra clear glass and the dimension of the tank is 14 inch in front across, and the height is like 9.10 or around 9.5 inch, and in depth it is like 8.2 inch. So it's not big. And as you can see, I am mainly using two big size lava rock in the middle, and in front some small dragon rock and some black lava rocks. So in the extreme right side I have attached some Pelia moss to lava rock with some cotton thread, and it's really giving a good texture. And in extreme back I am using some Rotala and Rotala Najeshan, I think it is, I forgotten and long time back. And the red leaf one, you can see this is AR Mini I am using, and also I am using Hygrophila lancia in the middle back. And in extreme right I am using some Ammonia bonsai and Hydrocotyle tripartita Honda. Hydrocotyle is my favorite plant, one of my favorite plant. As you can see, I have put there in the corner, and here I have some in the gap of this lava rock, and here also I have used some Hydrocotyle tripartita, and all this is Sagittaria I have placed in this sand. This is river sand, and below this one I have using a very thin layer of Tropica aqua soil, and in back side there is like 3 to 4 inch depth of Tropica aquatic soil. And in the extreme far you can see there is dragon rock and some Christmas moss I have attached with cotton thread. This is, there is some, that one I have already said, Rotala Najeshan. And in the middle in front of that AR Mini there is some Pogostemon octopus and Ludwigia repens. Ammonia bonsai, as I have said, it's there, like 3 to 4 stem is there, and AR Mini that one, and Peliamos this, and this is Sagittaria. So mainly this is like 2 months old, and I am using Aquatic Remedies fertilizer. This is very simple fertilizer which is available in Amazon. There is 5-in-1 box, and you can read the user manual like how much dose you should put as per the dimension of your tank. And also I am using, recently I am using Siakum Flourish Excel. This is a low tech tank, and I don't have any CO2, so this is the one I am using. As you can see, Flourish Excel. This is a CChem product, and so this is the main fertilizer I am using and nothing more. And I have 3 lights I am using currently. One is Sunshine ADS series, and one is Sobo, and another one I am using, this is a grow bulb, and that one is full spectrum grow bulb. There is UV bulb, there is infrared bulb, there is some red, some blue. So this 3 light is, I am happy with the performance of this 3 light, and the plants are growing well, and I am using like 8 hours of photo period. So I am thinking to reduce it to 6 hours of photo period. And recently I bring those guppies, these 2 orange guppies, this is the half black female guppy, those are normal female guppy, and these 2 and white molly and 1 black molly. So this is a simple, you can say a simple low tech aquascape, and 1 HOB filter is enough I think for this little aquarium or aquascape, whatever you like. So backside also I have placed some Hydrocotyle tripartita. Mainly it is full of like Ammonia bonsai, AR Mini, Rotala Najeshan. Those are the main plants, and Ludwigia repens also I have placed, and there is some Portofelo. These are the plants mainly I have used, and in front only Sagittaria placed in front only, and in back side of this rock there is only one. And there you can see I have attached this hydrocotyle tripartita with one piece of chola wood. I am planning to keep some shrimp here also, so I put this chola wood. This looks nice to me, like it's growing and everything. So this is it. Let me know, do comment if you like or if you don't like this one, or if you have any suggestion for this aquascape. So do let me know, or if you have any queries, do comment in the video. I will surely reply to your comment, and I will take anything. If any good suggestion I am getting, then I will try to apply that. And one thing I forgot to tell, I have attached some moss. I forgot the name in this lava rock. Let's see if it is grows or not. And all this is this one is black lava rock, and this is all red lava rock, as you can see. So yes, this is it for today. Do let me know. Do subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, and comment if you like or not. See you next time, guys. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe.